Hey, it's Anson here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change out your wiper blades on your 2020 plus Rams. This is the Ram Rebel DT model. So what you want to do is, if you look in here, we're going to raise the wiper blade. I'm going to show you on the driver's side. There's a clip right here. You're going to want to press that up and then pull the whole wiper blade down. Just like that. So this actually clips into here. Like that. If you push it all the way, it'll click. Now that we got it out, so here's a close-up of what the mechanism looks like. Once it's on the hook, you want to push that up and then pull down. Just to be safe, we are going to lower this. You can put a towel there if you want, but make sure it doesn't snap back into place, because that will definitely crack your windshield. Be very careful with that. It only takes a second for it to mess it up. The wiper blade I'm going with today is the Michelin. It's gonna be a 24-inch. I'm gonna take these protective covers off. Yours might look a little different, but generally it's the same idea. We're gonna put that metal hook through here, and then it should lock into place. Just kind of hard doing it with one hand here. Move it into place. I'm gonna grab the hook. Feed it into the holder. Just like that. I'm going to slide it all the way in. Now that's in place, I'm going to close the lock. Once you hear that click, you know it's set into place. You can push left and right. That thing ain't going nowhere. And then we're going to grab this protective strip. We're going to peel that thing off right there. Just like that. Put it back down gently. That thing's not going anywhere. There you have it. Here are the factory old ones. I went with Michelin because I was at Costco when I saw them, and I had them on my other cars and it worked out well. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. Please like and subscribe for more videos.